So in today's video, we will be looking into how you can send cold transactional emails for your SaaS marketing. Now we are going to go through a step-by-step process, which is all coming from my blog on Medium. The links would be in the description for you if you want to go and read it out. So the first step I wanted to highlight, for sending a good transactional emails, we will be needing IPs. Now these IPs should be somewhere which is already warmed up and they should be into auto rotation. If you start sending the emails from one IP address, it is chance that it can get blacklisted or the reputation get bad. So my recommendation would be, let's find some tools like Salesforce is one of the tool, or Azure email communication service is one of the tool which helps you to get number of IPs for your SaaS marketing. Now step 2, if you move into step 2, you can see here we are going to use Azure as a service right now. Now in Azure, we will be needing two things. We will be needing email communication and we will be needing communication service. Now in very layman terms, I will explain these two services. Email communication service is the place from where you can actually go and add your own email. If you don't have your email, Azure provides you its own custom subdomains email addresses also. So either you can use those, or if you have your email, you can set up your own DKIM or those DNS settings and configurations. Now, once your email communications is been set up with the email address, you can then use the the communication service. Now, communication service is something like an SMTP relay or like a server, which provides you all the configurations and SMTP settings that is needed to send emails from that email that you have configured in the email communication. Now, these two services are very important because you cannot run the email and you cannot send the emails from it. Now, one thing also we need to have in the mind is that Azure does not provide any platform or a dashboard from where you can manage and start sending your emails. You need to write all the code in the source code, like in Python or in Node.js. For this video, we are considering Python as our base language. So you can see this is the Python code which I use for sending my emails. Up here first, I'm actually importing a CSV. The CSV contains the prospects of all the leads that I want to send the emails. Now, connection string is something that you are going to get from the communication service. Now, inside the communication service, there would be something like a keys tab from where you are going to get your connection string. Now it's very simple. You just need to open a loop. Inside the loop, you just need to add these APIs. These are directly what Azure documentation is there. So you just need to copy paste this code. You can add your sender's address that you have configured inside the email communication. Now, once all these things have been set up, then you can actually start sending the emails. You just need to run your Python code. Now in this, I have also explained what is the package you would be needing. If you are going to go with the Python side, you will be needing Azure communication.email. This is the package for sending the emails from Azure. Now, apart from this, if you have done this thing, you may also have some doubts like how to write email bodies, how to write spam proof email bodies. So there are a couple of tools that I did also highlighted here. Like one is reply.io, which helps you to get a good analytics of what is your email body looks like. Is it a spam? Is it a very genuine transactional email? Or is it something which is going to have views or the spam ratio of it? Now you can also use ChatGPT to forming your emails, and with the help of the prompts, you can write your own emails. I did also wrote another article where I did a research on how you can send the correct email body for your SaaS marketing. Now, I hope you like this video. All the links would be in the description if you want to check it out, if you want to see how the emails have been sent. Stay tuned for more videos like this in the future. Please like the channel.